Leading concrete block plants have recognized automated quality checks boost efficiency and profit margins. Introducing the proven SHV500 Height Measuring Systems from R&W, developed to meet the high demands of your concrete block plant. With precision, user-friendly operation and durability, the SHV500 is used by leading manufacturers worldwide. Its modular design and compatibility with all major concrete block machines enables seamless integration into any production line. Backed by decades of experience and a specialization in precise measuring systems for the concrete products industry, we don't just recognize the challenges.
We have developed the solutions for that.
Precise measurement of product height and defect detection are just the tip of the iceberg.
Before R&W existed, I worked for many years at a well-known concrete block machine manufacturer, where I wrote programs for the machines and commissioned them worldwide. Therefore, I am very familiar with the issues faced by concrete block plants.
Since 2001, R&W has been offering not only precise and robust solutions for height measurement of concrete products, but also comprehensive support from commissioning all the way to ERP integration, all over the world. All measurement data is recorded in a database and can be easily analyzed using R&W software. The SHV500 reliably measures block heights, while the patented 3D inspection system, available as an upgrade, uses eagle-eye precision to detect even the tiniest surface defects on every concrete product on the production pallet.
Thanks to the technical know-how of our team, not only 2D and 3D cameras are used, but also the latest AI technologies are employed to achieve even more precise results.
Defects and even the smallest cracks on the surface are detected, allowing faulty products to be sorted out and significantly reducing complaints. The optional boarding weighing function measures the weight of each product layer and compares it against predefined thresholds. This enables early detection of density variations, ensuring consistently high quality. With our RFID system, you can also track your production data from the wet side to the dry side. And as a bonus,
the R&W systems already provide all the data for the automatic handling of defective products by robots.
This keeps your production flowing smoothly and gives you full control over your quality standards. Schedule an appointment now and experience our measuring systems live in action. R&W Industry Automation. Measure the height, inspect the surface.